Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix call ended problem on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on SIM card and mobile network. From here, just scroll down and tap on the name of your SIM card. Now from here, just disable this toggle and wait for a few seconds. Then enable this toggle one more time. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on preferred network type. Now from here, if it is on 3G or 2G, just select 4G. And from here, just scroll down and make sure you enable VoLTE. And once you do that, just go to your home screen and tap and hold on the app dialer. Now just tap on App Info. From here, just tap on Storage and Cache. Now from here, just tap on Clear Cache and tap on Clear Storage. Now just tap on Delete. Now once you do that, just go to your home screen. Now from here, just swipe down and open the Control Center. Now from here, just tap on the aeroplane mode. Now from here, just wait for 5 to 6 seconds. Then tap on aeroplane mode one more time to disable it. And this is how you can fix call ended problem on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.